1010 is literally like heaven and earth colliding. So if you take the one, which is the first physical number, and then we have zero, which is the symbol of the infinite or spiritual awareness, we have the two colliding. And what that means in a lot of ways is like tens who are that life path number. Sometimes they have a hard time getting out of the one, which is the ego number, the pioneer, the trailblazer, and they forget about that zero. But in order to be whole, they have to integrate both. So when we're seeing 1010, a lot of people who are seeing this need to know what the message is that you need to integrate your physical with your spiritual. There's a disconnect there. There's definitely something where it's saying you need to merge these in order for you to manifest, because it adds to two, right? So if we reduce it down, it's 20 or it's two, which means it's a number of intuition and sensitivity, the more spiritual number, the soul number. So it's saying you need to merge those two together in order to do what you need to do in life. And it's kind of an urgent message. It's like, in a way, representative of God, being a godlike creator and having those two. That's why we're here. We're able to manifest physically because of the spiritual. And so those two need to mesh. And that's the message behind that.